Warlord Secrets review. Hey guys, how are you doing? This is Kieran Hogg with reviews, hacks, and tips. Thanks for stopping by as always. Today I am reviewing Warlord Secrets. What is Warlord Secrets? It is all about Quora, the search engine Quora, how you can use this software and the training that they provide for you and how you can crush it using Quora, guys. So this is being launched by Philip Johansson, Dan Can, Will Weatherly, and Robin. Not Batman's Robin, just Robin. I don't know his last name. Sorry about that, Robin. And it's being launched September 14th at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That is New York time at 10 o'clock a.m. $13 is a front end, guys, but stay with me because I'm going to show you how you can get a 30% discount, all right? So don't go away. I've got demo access. We're going to be looking in the members area, plus I've got awesome bonuses, guys. So with that being said, let's go over to the members area. This is what it's going to look like, guys. So we're going to do a deep dive into this later on. But first, let me take you to my bonus page where we're going to learn more about Warlord Secrets and also see how I can help you with all of my great bonuses. Okay, guys? So this is going to go down. This bonus page is going to go down on Friday, September 17th at 11:59 p.m. So don't dilly-dally. You got, again, 420. Every time I do a video, it's 420, guys. What is that telling you? I don't know. And Kieran's amazing bonus bundle with all of my bonuses that we're going to look at in a minute, guys. But what is Quora? Watch how Will Weatherly makes $348 a day by tapping into a backdoor traffic site. So if you want to learn how to make $348 a day for yourself, stay with me, guys. And again, this is all going to be the first link down in my description. Click on here and it can take you over to the sales page where you can pick it up, and you can also pick up all my bonuses. So guys, what is Warlord Secrets all about? Warlord Secrets is something that Will has been doing for months, and he's leveraging the traffic source Quora, like I said, on how to get thousands of views, leads, and most importantly, sales, guys. That's what we're looking for, right? So here is the price and the upsells. We're going to do a closer look at this later on, but let me take you, let me just give you some of the highlights here. So it's 100% beginner friendly. With their training, you're going to see exactly how simple it can be, guys. They say 5 minutes a day. That's all you need to do. I think you have 5 minutes. Get buyer traffic to any link, all in one solution. No website email funnels, no making videos like this, no bonus pages, no launch jacking, no further investments, no learning curve, just copy and paste. So guys, what I've done, I've given you an extra bonus on top of all the other bonuses that you're only going to get this one from me. This is Quora do's and don'ts for your business. It's going to show you how you can use the power of Quora in the right way, and some things that you should not do with Quora. All right, very valuable. This is all yours for free. And also, guys, we have access John Armstrong, my mentor, the one who's showing me how to make money, showing me so many things of how to make money online. He's given me this bonus to give to you. Jono's YouTube ads course, guys. So you're going to learn how you can get ads that are pennies on the dollar with warm to hot traffic, so you can have high probability of sales. Okay. Next one, guys, build your buyers list while profiting. So we're trying to gain our list, right? As they say, the money is in the list. You're going to learn how to do that here. Also, guys, how to capture an email, how to make an email capture page. So you're going to learn how you can do that and get more emails as well. And get high ticket mastery. So you're going to learn, now this is time sensitive though, guys. First 24 hours only. You're going to learn how to sell less items but higher ticket price. So sell more, sell less, make more. Great idea. Let's learn it, okay? So 24 hours. Don't dilly-dally, okay? And finally, guys, Dan, Philip, and the boys, they've got a bunch of bonuses that you're going to want to check out as well. You got 420, guys. So what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to click on any of these yellow buttons, and they're going to kick you over to the sales page, which is going to look like this. And then if you go down and click on any of these yellow buttons, it'll take you over to, now look guys, see that 30%? We're going to use that, so we're going to get it even cheaper. So we're gonna kick you over to Warrior Plus, and you can access your purchase right here. And then if you click on this blue button, then you can access all of my bonuses here, plus the vendor bonuses. Very important that you click on that blue link so you get all of the bonuses, guys. All right, so let's go over, look a little bit more at the sales page here. So look here, guys, click here to claim your discount, 30%. So it's costing you less than 2 Starbucks coffees. Awesome. All right, so you already know that banner, guys. 100% friendly, we already know all this. Let's just go on evergreen commissions, copy paste some traffic on tap, guys. Here's Philip, and it's not too long of a sales page, but I'm not gonna waste your time today. You guys can look at this on your own time, but I will show you some of the bonuses, okay? So we'll just scroll down a little bit. Here's Will Weatherly. He's the one that is working with Phil, Dan, and Robin, and how he's doing so well with Quora. Here are some proof right here, guys, or excuse me, Grammarly. Here is some proof. So we've got today 350, yesterday 57, today 512, yesterday 333. Awesome. Now you can get that yourself, guys, okay? All right, bonus number 1, direct access to Backdoor Master. As a customer, you'll get DM'd access to all of us, so all 4 of them, Philip, Dan, Will, and Robin. We're making ourselves available directly to you to ensure your success. No one wants to see you succeed more than us. Okay, look, guys, the value of almost 2,000. Buyer number 2, free training on how we made 43,000 in 7 days. That is bye-bye boss money, okay? So you're gonna learn how to do that. Also, bonus number 3, free high-ticket training worth 2,000 and unfair advantage in business and life custom training. Learn how to take life by the horns and become successful in your internet marketing business, guys. So they're gonna be able to mentor you as well. Bonus number 5, instant approval to promote Warlord Secrets. So make up to $400 in commissions per sale when you promote Warlord Secrets, and now you have the tools to do it, guys. Okay, 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk. And of course, I mean, if you're gonna be buying 2 coffees, it's actually less than that. You've got no excuse not to get it, okay? So look here, guys, 5 minutes of work, great. And here's all of their value, not including my bonuses, so you're getting over $11,000 or $12,000 of value, guys, just by less than $10. Very, very good deal, okay? All right, here they are, here are the guys. Now, guys, I wanna take you over to the members area. So we have the dashboard, the support, the logout, the pro version, the done for you, unlimited, traffic mastery, the resell rights. These are all of the upsells that we're gonna look at in a minute, but let me just take you through what's gonna happen here. So you're gonna get a welcome from Philip and one from Dan, and you're gonna show you how they earned $43,000 in 7 days, guys. So, oops, okay, oops, excuse me. That didn't work. All right, because this is the demo, right? Case study, so they're gonna show you the case study. All right, so here it is.
This has been ranking so well, and then
here's Will.
I'm going to show you how I'm.
So guys, he's providing
when
proof.
I originally answered this question back in April, I used an offer called Gamer Pay, and I'm going to.
Okay. Also an overview, guys.
That is to monetize and verify on a site called Similar.
Okay, so you guys are going to see how to do this from A to B all the way to Z. The main training, okay, so identifying buyer questions, navigating your search, ninja keyword techniques, additional keyword hacks, content generation, staying safe on Quora, monetizing, and tripling your traffic, okay? So I can just type on any of these.
In the personal development niche.
Okay, so he's going to show you different.
1,300.
He's going to show you different niches, guys.
That's going to get you 100% ability to post on Quora for any link that you want. You can.
Okay, so as you can see, he's showing you step by step how to do it. Very easy to use, guys. You can follow along. Main training, 3 times your traffic. Holy cow.
So we're going to go down here clicking on our links directly because I want money now.
All right, you guys. So you can see Will is explaining it very thoroughly, very clearly, easy to understand. Doesn't matter if you're a newbie or you're advanced, you're going to learn how to do this, okay? And the automation software, so you're going to learn how to automate Quora as well. And the upgrades, guys, so all of these up here, you can access them through here. Okay, and you can search. So there you go, guys. You're going to learn how to very easily learn how to capitalize with Quora, make some consistent money. Let's check out the prices, guys. Oh, I meant to show you this earlier, guys, just so you know. My mistake. Okay, what is Quora? I got this ready for you and I didn't actually use it. So Quora is a question and answer website where people go to find information. Every piece of content on the site is generated by users, meaning it is created, edited, and organized by the same people that use the website. After hearing that description of Quora, you might be thinking, well, why don't I just use an everyday search engine? I'll tell you why. It has some qualities that other search engines don't. It allows users to create social networks and follow topics that interest them. That's where we come in, guys. Also, it enables users to vote on answers to highlight the most accurate information possible. So this is, in its truest sense, an online form of a free market. So the best answers, the people with the most seniority are going to rank higher. The most people with the most authority about a subject are going to rank higher, okay? So there's no shenanigans. If you know your stuff, you're going to be ranking higher. We're going to learn how to use that, tap in, and also to make money on it, okay? So let's find out now about the price and the upsells. All right, let me go up. Okay, guys, so here is the funnel. We got the front end at $12.95 plus the 30% discount, like we said. Upgrade number 1 at $27, guys, so that is the Pro. That is unlimited, so you'll boost your sales by 10 times with no extra effort. Get more traffic in less time. As they say, time is money. This is how you can use that. Done for you. Number 2 at $37, downsell at $27. Steal all of Will's hard work and resources so you don't have to do anything. This upgrade will give you hundreds of resources, which include Quora templates, keyword software, email done for you, and funnels. So guys, you can really speed up your learning curve and just take all of Will's stuff that he spent hours and hours and days to learn, probably spent a lot of time and money as well. You're going to get that for free. You can just plug it in and you're ready to go. Upsell number 3, traffic. Okay, 97, downsell is 67. Our sales pages get hit by thousands of buyers every day. We are allowing you to put your pixels on our sales pages so you can steal all of our buyers. So that means you're going to be getting the hot traffic by them allowing you to do that, guys. Next one, number 4, traffic mastery is 67, downsell of 37. Insane value. This all-in-one solution delivers all the traffic anyone could ever need. We've taken proven strategies from the highest earning marketers of the planet, guys, so you're going to be getting tons of planet. We've broken them down into simple steps, customized for Warlord Secrets using free traffic, underground social media, as well as the hottest platforms out there. There is no stone unturned. So you're getting free traffic, guys, unlimited free traffic with this. And number 4, traffic mastery. All-in-one solution delivers, my mistake. Number 5, the resell rate. So you can resell this and get 100% on the whole funnel and just treat it like your own product, okay? As one more time, guys, very user-friendly. You can see Will explaining it, going over everything with a fine-tooth comb. Get buyer traffic to any link, all-in-one solution, no website, emails, videos, none of that. No further investments, no learning curve, copy and paste. Also, guys, I want you to get all of my bonuses as well. They're going to help you along your journey. You can use them to learn from them. Also, use them as bonuses for your other reviews or products or anything that you want to be using as well. Lots of information, lots of value here, guys. So this wraps up my review on Warlord Secrets, guys, all about Quora, and you can see it is very simple and powerful. So I want you to use my link click in the description below. You'll get the first link down there. It's going to take you, like I say, to the sales page over to Warrior Plus, where you can access the product, also get all of my bonuses, guys. I want to thank you for your time. I hope you learned something about Warlord profits, and I want you to like, subscribe, and comment. Please hit that bell as always, so you're going to be up to date on all my latest review videos, also on my tips and hacks on how to make money online. I want to thank you one more time for your time. Have a great day. This is Kieran Hogg signing off. Best of luck on your journey. Leave a comment. I'll help you as soon as I can, and then I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.